Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by sourcing parts that match payload and flight goals. Pick an airframe rated for the camera and battery. Install motors and ESCs to the frame first because motor alignment affects stability. Wire power distribution and secure connectors. Use the multimeter to verify polarity. Mount the flight controller and plug in the GPS module, placing the GPS away from motors for signal integrity. Once done, attach the camera mount and route cables so nothing can tangle with props. Now you flash and configure the flight controller firmware that supports GPS hold and return to home. This is critical for autonomous behavior. Connect GPS TX/RX, telemetry, and the camera video output to the video transmitter. Make sure the camera voltage matches its spec to avoid damage. Calibrate the accelerometer and compass while the craft is level, then calibrate ESCs so motors spin smoothly. Finally, set home position and fail-safe parameters. These settings determine how the drone finish by mounting the battery, balancing props, and performing a short tethered hover to confirm motor direction, GPS lock, and camera output. You should test return to home at a safe altitude and record a video to ensure stabilization works. Adjust PID lightly if needed. If you lose GPS or sea drift, make sure the GPS module is oriented correctly and away from power wires. Compass interference is common. Use logs to diagnose. Check solder joints, checkerboard wiring, and replace any failing sensor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.